For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of the most influential scientific instruments ever built. Launched with the primary goal of studying distant galaxies, nebulae, and the large-scale structure of the universe, Hubble quickly proved that its value extended far beyond deep space. Over time, it became an unexpected but extraordinarily powerful observer of our own cosmic neighborhood. From planets and moons to asteroids and comets, Hubble has transformed how we understand the solar system, revealing that even familiar worlds are far more dynamic, violent, and complex than once believed. Many objects within the solar system remain poorly explored because they lack dedicated missions. Spacecraft visits are expensive, rare, and often limited to brief flybys. Hubble's greatest strength lies in its ability to return to the same targets again and again, offering long-term monitoring that no single probe can match. This has allowed astronomers to observe slow changes, seasonal cycles, and sudden catastrophic events that would otherwise go unnoticed. In doing so, Hubble has filled critical gaps in planetary science, often uncovering phenomena that challenge long-standing assumptions. Despite its extraordinary capabilities, Hubble is not designed for every type of observation. The Moon, for example, appears so large in Earth's sky that it cannot fit within Hubble's field of view in a single image. For detailed lunar mapping, scientists rely on specialized missions like Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, which can capture ultra-high-resolution views of the surface. Yet even here, Hubble has found ways to contribute. One of its most creative uses came in 2012 during a rare transit of Venus across the Sun. Rather than observing Venus directly, scientists used the Moon as a giant mirror. Sunlight passed through Venus's thick atmosphere, reflected off the lunar surface, and then traveled back to Hubble. By analyzing this reflected light, researchers were able to identify key atmospheric components, including carbon dioxide and trace gases. This experiment was more than a clever workaround. It became a proof of concept for studying the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. Today, similar techniques are used to search for chemical signatures that could indicate habitable conditions, or even biological activity, around stars many light-years away. While the Moon presents challenges, Mars is almost perfectly suited to Hubble's strengths. The telescope can capture the entire Martian disk in a single frame, something orbiters around Mars cannot easily do due to their close proximity. Over the years, Hubble has produced a time-lapse portrait of Mars, documenting seasonal icecap growth and retreat, shifting cloud patterns, and massive dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. One of the most dramatic examples occurred in 2001, when a global dust storm swallowed Mars, temporarily hiding its surface from view. Observations like these are essential for understanding Martian climate and for planning future robotic, and eventually human, missions. Hubble has also closely monitored Phobos, Mars's largest moon. Phobos orbits the planet at an astonishing pace, completing a full circuit in just over 7 hours. This rapid orbit is slowly decaying due to gravitational interactions with Mars. Over millions of years, Phobos is expected either to crash into the planet or to break apart and form a ring. By tracking subtle changes in its orbit and appearance, astronomers gain insight into tidal forces and the long-term evolution of planetary systems. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a vast population of rocky remnants left over from the early solar system. Once thought to be relatively inert, this region has proven to be surprisingly active. Hubble has played a key role in revealing that many asteroids are not solid monoliths, but fragile, rubble piles, held together by weak gravity. In one notable case, the telescope observed an asteroid designated 6478 Gault displaying comet-like tails. Further investigation showed that this behavior was driven by the Europa effect, where uneven heating from sunlight alters an asteroid's rotation until surface material is flung into space. Another striking observation involved P. 2010A2, an object initially mistaken for a comet. Hubble images revealed an unusual X-shaped debris pattern, the unmistakable signature of a high-speed collision between two asteroids. Such impacts are rare to witness directly, but they offer a glimpse into the violent processes that have shaped the solar system over billions of years. These observations help scientists understand how asteroids break apart, reaccumulate, and evolve over time. Farther out, Jupiter dominates the solar system with its immense gravity. Often described as a cosmic gatekeeper, Jupiter influences the orbits of countless asteroids and comets. Its mass accounts for roughly a third of all planetary mass in the solar system combined, making its gravitational reach second only to the Sun's. Hubble captured one of the most dramatic demonstrations of this influence in 1994. When comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 collided with Jupiter after being torn apart by tidal forces. The impacts were apocalyptic. Fireballs rose thousands of kilometers above Jupiter's cloud tops, and dark scars larger than Earth lingered for months. The energy released by a single impact rivaled millions of megatons of TNT. This event provided direct evidence of how often large impacts occur and highlighted Jupiter's role in shielding the inner planets by absorbing or redirecting potential threats. Hubble has also provided unparalleled views of Jupiter's auroras, which dwarf those on Earth in both size and intensity. Unlike Earth's auroras, which are largely driven by solar storms, Jupiter's are powered by a combination of solar wind and the planet's own powerful magnetic field. These glowing ovals are constant, dynamic, and among the most energetic light shows in the solar system. Among Jupiter's many moons, Europa has drawn particular attention. Hubble observations revealed evidence of water vapor plumes erupting from its icy surface, suggesting that a vast ocean lies hidden beneath its crust. Spectroscopic data also detected sodium chloride, the same salt found in Earth's oceans. These findings have elevated Europa to one of the most promising locations in the search for extraterrestrial life. Beyond Jupiter, Hubble continues to monitor the outer planets. Since the end of the Cassini mission, Saturn has lacked a dedicated spacecraft, yet Hubble still tracks its storms, atmospheric changes, and evolving rains. The telescope has also revealed seasonal transformations on Uranus and uncovered new details about Neptune, including the discovery of its tiny moon hippocamp, likely formed from the debris of an ancient collision. For more than 34 years, Hubble has exceeded every expectation placed upon it. Its contributions spanned planetary science, astrophysics, and the ongoing search for life beyond Earth. With continued maintenance, it could remain operational well into the 2040s, complementing newer observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope rather than being replaced by them. Hubble's greatest achievement may not be any single discovery, but its enduring ability to surprise us. Again and again, it has shown that the solar system is not a static collection of worlds, but a living, evolving environment shaped by violence, motion, and change. Each new observation reminds us that even after centuries of study, the universe still holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered.